Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Now I'm going to draw Ozymandias from Fate GrandOrder. It's been requested by Regaliaf and this is the command of her. And yeah, so let's watch this one together guys, let's go. Okay. In this step, I'm actually creating the construction lines using F pencil, which is the fine pencil, and as we can see here, there's a very sexy pose of the guy, and if we keep on watching, there you go, it's very hard to draw the shape of the stomach to make it very proportionate. I don't know what I went wrong, and I keep on erasing it after, even though I've already drawn the lower part of the body, and it makes me go crazy because it's very hard to draw everything. And finally I've realized that this shoulder I've drawn is a bit too broad here, so with this finally I got the shape, and the bend very nicely curved and very proportionate. Because of this, just now I draw it too big. Now the second challenge is actually drawing the face. The face is very hard for me to draw, but especially the lips. This actually I'm redrawing it from a fan art. I'm not sure who has drawn this because there's no credit on it. The design of the character belongs to Fate GrandOrder, and the poster is not created by me. I'm just redrawing it, and as we can see here, the hand also is quite hard to draw here like that. But after doing a little bit of adjustment, and finally I'm able to draw it. And now filling in the color guys. As you can see, I haven't been using color pencil for a long time. This is actually my very first time using color pencil after more than 10 years, I suppose. The last time I used color pencil is in the year of 2000. So probably it's already 20 years that I've used color pencil, because nowadays we have digital image manipulation. Mostly I use Photoshop, but color pencil, oh my god. But then again, most of my arts I prefer using pencil. Color pencil practices, it's been a long time that I haven't used it, and hopefully I still can match the standard, because it's been a really long time. But then again, hopefully I'm quite happy with the result, that everything you do in art, you just got to use your feeling, your instinct. I don't really follow a lot of rules in this, because during the process of using my color pencil, I also use my 7B pencils, so to even up the shading and also to thicken the lines. Because this color pencil is I don't know, it's quite hard to release the pigments, but I actually add 7B to the darkest point of the area so that the shading can become more even. As we can see, color yellow is not only a color yellow, there's a lot of colors involved inside, and it has a very variation of different type of browns, dark browns, light browns, orange, light yellow, white. There's so many type of yellow inside. And also the body, I've also using a cutter or scalpel to cut off or trim off the pencil so that you can have pencil powder. Then you use the cotton or tissue paper to just even out so that it will be smoothly diversified. And it is now coloring the necklace. Again, the gold part is quite challenging to draw because the darker part need to use dark brown, and also the Tosca blue. I really love the Tosca blue. And again, to create a very realistic cloth, it's very challenging using color pencil because I haven't been using color pencil for a long time. But honestly, I'm quite happy with the result. Let me know what you think about this art in the comment section below, or maybe any type of advices that you can add in also. Okay, the coloring of the weapon. I think from all the FGO character that I've drawn, this weapon is the easiest to draw. But the challenging part is to add in the color to make it like glossy. The color of yellow to make it glossy, and the Toscan blue also make it glossy. That is the challenging part. But again, I managed to actually nail it off. But it takes a really long time to just color off the weapon. I think this drawing takes me around more than 10 hours to draw. Of course, I'm just a newbie in terms of using color pencil. But it's really nice. It's a really great experience for me because I haven't see any color in my artwork. Now finally there are colors in my artwork. There will be a big change, and probably someday I will use more of different type of media. And this time is coloring the capes. As we can see, there's a mixture of pencil that I use also, not only color pencil color pencil. And to give the highlight, I use eraser. Again, I use the method of sculpting off the pencil to get that color pencils powder. And of course, I'm using tissue to blend off the color, and eraser to create the highlight. Now darkening up, emphasizing on the depth, and also make it even darker on certain area of the other parts. And also, yeah, the muscle, I make it even more visible. There you go, guys. The artwork is completed. So what do you guys think? Again, this is my first time using color pencil after 20 years or so, because I haven't used color pencil for a long time. Mostly I use pencils, variation of pencils. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. So if you guys have any kind of other character anime that you would like me to draw, also put in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Also please don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much, and see you guys next one.